Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install Adventureworks Database and Data Warehouse on SQL Server. So I've already come to the Microsoft.com website to download and install Adventureworks backup of each databases. What you can, if you are not able to find this, you can actually go down the video and I've posted this link under my video so that you can download the data warehouse. So what we have in here when we go to the link is data warehouse, sorry, Adventureworks data warehouse, which is approximately 800 MB, and we have the Adventureworks database and some sample scripts. Let's go and download this, the backup files. I've already selected the files that we need to download. It's a total of 962 MB. Next, okay, start downloading. It's gonna take some time for this to download. All right, so we have finished downloading the database backups. It's available in this folder. So you can see we have the database backup as well as the data warehouse backup. So let me go and restore this. Because there's a backup, all you need to do is restore the database backups. So I have connected to my local host or the local database. Right click. You cannot attach the database because this is not an MDF file, but it's just a backup. So all you need to do is restore the database. Click on restore database. Now we'll get the pop-up option to restore any databases. So we are going to select the device because we have the backup in the device. Go to the folder where you have saved the backup. I have it in the DB back. I'll first restore the database. Okay. Okay, let me rename this to Adventureworks. Okay. All right, I'm going to do a full restore. That's what it is, and let's go to files just to check the options. We have the logs and everything already set up in there, and it's all available in the backup, so we need not worry about anything. And I don't want to check any of these options. I'll just go with the regular simple backup storage. Okay, it's restoring the database, so it's going to take some time. All right, so it has finished restoring the Adventureworks database, and I got this message which says it's restored successfully. Click on OK, and you see the database currently. I'll open, see if there are some tables. Yes, we can see all the tables which are available, the views and everything, all the objects which are available. Let me now go and restore the data warehouse backup. The same procedure. It's just a name, but it's both the databases. It's just a name that is a data warehouse. It's add, go back to the same folder where I had backup and okay, I'm gonna change the name. Browse files. Okay, we have the data in the log file options. I'm gonna leave it as it is. Click on OK and wait for it to restore the database. All right, we have finished restoring the database. I mean the data warehouse as well. So we have all the objects in here. Let's just check if we have tables. Yeah, we have all tables. And that's it. That's pretty much it. So you can go ahead now, use this database and data warehouse for all your learnings and testing. Yeah, that's it. Have a great day. Bye.